reasons I come out to my job sites to move plants around while they're, or actually before they're installing them, is that we make sure that the best face of the plant is facing forward where it will be viewed the most. And I did that with this Japanese maple in particular because one of the sides was a little flat, so we wanted to make sure that that was facing the fence and not facing forward. Another thing that I look for whenever I'm placing plants and setting them is to make sure that they look even on either side. So this plant had a little bit of extra branching out to the right side, and I just wanted to make sure that when you view it from the area that it will be most often seen, that it just has a nice look to it. You don't want it to be flat on one side or have a crazy branch coming out on another side. So what we do is we go in, we turn it, we step back, we look, and just make sure that it's got that look that we're going for ultimately for the design. So you'll see me doing that a lot. You'll see me twisting and turning plants to make sure everything is exactly where it should be.